Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of The Revenge of My Lover, chapter 6. So here it is. Let's read the story. Dr. Wenping and Shuang Shuang. The two of them are already met. Right now, on the sudden situation, both of them become speechless. Door is closed right now. Looking at Wenping, it seems like she's going to ignore her. But who is this girl suddenly appear behind from them? Shuang Shuang, who is this? The girl seems to be different. Looking at this girl, would you be caught by your own weakness? So, who is this girl? And what is her relationship with Shuang Shuang? Well, let's see on what will happen. Oh yo, isn't this my dear sister Shuang Shuang? This girl said to her. Turns out it was her sister. From Yan family. Well, let's see. Shuang Shuang, she turned back. What a coincidence. What are you doing at the audition scene? Could it be that you still have a dream of being an actor? So this little girl is her little sister. It's Yana, Shuang Shuang said. Now, looking at it, Shuang Shuang, she's suddenly suspicious. Well, of course, what is the motive of the little sister suddenly appearing on this place right now? Yan Anna, do you have anything to do with me? Well, it seems that she was really drained at this moment, talking with Wenping and also right this girl. Anna said to her, Sister Shuang Shuang, our Yan family has just added to this drama. If you want to be an actor, you can tell our parents. Maybe I can arrange a leading actor for you. Oh, this girl, she seems to be silly. No, I'm afraid that the acting will lose money to the Yan family. Now, Shuang Shuang said to Anna, looking at it, it seems that the two of them are not close to each other. That's why Anna, also Shuang Shuang, has been cold to each other, unexpectedly bumping to each other like now. Shuang Shuang, she really feels not good for this, especially this Anna. It seems that she is not a good sister. Looking at Anna's face, seems to be mischievous. Shuang Shuang said, It's okay, I'll go to work first. So right now, she will leave her. But it turns out this Anna. I'm going to check now. Who is that person today? Soliloquies. So this girl, she really won't back down. She was really curious who is the person Shuang Shuang has been talking. Right now, Anna said to herself, Anyway, you owe me. Oh, what does she mean by this? Owe her what? Or something else? Well, Shuang Shuang at this moment, she suddenly paused. She went off to the bathroom. Well, looking at her, she was really sweating hard. Probably she knows that Anna will plot something against her. Ah, the biggest villain in my life has appeared again. So it turns out the two of them are not really close to each other, even though in this world they're really sisters. But right now, it's really hard for her. Yan Anna, female, the 25 years old Yan family's lost daughter and found 5 years ago. The character is arrogant and domineering. So this is her own character. For Yan Shuang Shuang, it is really a devil. Rebirth is not these days. When I saw Yan Anna, I was thinking about Wenping. I almost forgot that there is only persons. So this is it. It is only set to protect Wenping, and they all forgot that the ghost of Yan Anna in the last life. And now it really makes sense. It was she who had to propose to her parents to change Wenping's mother's contract. So it turns out it was Anna who framed up Wenping's mother, right? Oh my god, what a purebred silly. I can grasp the key points after my revert. Now, it seems that Yan Anna, she is really troublesome person. Now, Shuang Shuang, she was really crying in tears. Well, she forgot the important details, and now, important details suddenly bump in. It turns out it was Wenping right now. Suddenly, came into the bathroom. Seeing her, she stunned in amazement. Well, she must see her. She is really crying hard. When Shuang Shuang looked back, she crossed current. Turns out, her tears is really falling so hard. Wenping, she must see her like this. Shuang Shuang, after realizing She is in an awkward state right now. Suddenly, the two of them both surprised. Wenping dropped her things. Well, seeing her like this, Wenping seems to be amazed. No, will you not give her so much attention? It is so hard. Now, Wenping, she is really thinking hard how to face this problem. Shuang Shuang, looking at Wenping, right now, she was still teary and said to herself, it was really too embarrassing to see Wenping at this moment. Well, let's see what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.